Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Insurify Insurance Comparison Tool, my US quote experience review. Insurify Insurance Comparison Tool aims to simplify the often tedious process of shopping for car insurance. It's designed for US drivers who are looking to compare quotes from multiple insurance providers quickly and easily, all in one place. Key features include comparing quotes based on your driving profile, coverage needs, and location, and potentially saving money on your premiums. Their website provides details on how the comparison tool works and the various insurance companies they partner with. Insurify emphasizes ease of use, promising a streamlined process for obtaining personalized quotes. They highlight transparency by stating they work with a large network of insurers, allowing for a comprehensive comparison, and they connect users directly with insurance providers, eliminating middlemen or hidden fees. While they don't utilize a specific technology like 5G, their platform leverages data analysis to match drivers with suitable insurance options. Availability is US-wide, and you can check by simply entering your zip code on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Insurify Insurance Comparison Tool. Getting started was incredibly straightforward. I simply entered my zip code, car details, and some basic driver information. The interface was clean and intuitive. Navigating through the different quote options was easy, with clear breakdowns of coverage levels and pricing from each provider. The platform was surprisingly fast, generating quotes took only a few minutes. I was particularly impressed by the ability to filter results based on specific criteria like deductible amounts and coverage types. I also appreciated the clear display of discounts offered by each insurer. I had a quick question about the claims process with one particular insurer, and their support team responded within a day via email with a helpful answer. One minor drawback was the sheer volume of emails I received from insurers after submitting my information, but that's understandable given the nature of the service. It also took a little while to get used to the advanced filtering options, but once I did, it allowed for even more refined comparisons. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Insurify. It definitely streamlined the process of comparing car insurance quotes, and I felt like it empowered me to make a more informed decision. That's my overview of Insurify Insurance Comparison Tool, my US quote experience review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.